Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
A progressive downward slides in the allocation to the state of Karnataka from augmentation of water from MHADEI and Godavari in Karnataka and Kaveri river basins by diversions, that is 283 TMC water to 164 TMC. For the historic reasons, the Karnataka state has not been allocated its rightful share from various tribunal award in spite of the state has lost the DPAP and DDP area in the country next to Rajasthan. The matter integrating the independent Beddi Varda link with the Godavari Kaveri link project proposed by the NWDA has nothing to do in any manner with the diversion of surplus water of MHADEI and Godavari.